how to set default keyboard to Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. So you will see General Management is here. So click on Keyboard. So after click on Keyboard, you will see Samsung keyboard is here. So if you want to set default keyboard, so click on default keyboard, and after click on default keyboard and Samsung keyboard, you will see default keyboard is set. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set default keyboard to Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.